this one is a California Club quesadilla. Yum, yum, and yum. So we put in just a couple of slices, chopped, of meaty bacon so we don't have to drain it off. So you want to look at the back of the package, or if you're buying it at the butcher counter, say, can I please have some meaty bacon? You put that into the pan and let the bacon fat render. That's now the fat we're going to cook the ground turkey in. Now that the bacon is rendering out, I'm gonna add some onions and jalapeno and garlic to the pan and let that cook in the bacon fat. Then we're gonna add our turkey and let that brown and crumble. And we're gonna spice the turkey up so it tastes like turkey chili. We've got chili powder, cumin, coriander, oregano. And then we're gonna put the bacon turkey mixture into the quesadilla. Ah! I know. Okay, so I'm going to grate in our garlic. I'm just gonna choke up on the bat to core a tomato, right? And just put the tip of your paring knife in there, pop that out. I don't seed these. They're just so delicious. Every molecule of this is yummy. So especially the last of the season, right, for great tomatoes. I'm just gonna dice this up and get it ready for our quesadillas. We're gonna get the turkey in the pan and season it with 1 palmful, or about 1 tablespoon of chili powder, salt and pepper, and a half a palmful each of cumin and coriander. Coriander is nice and bright. Cumin is very smoky but not spicy. They love to go everywhere together. And a little bit of Mexican oregano. Anytime we use dried herbs, we always lightly crush them in the palm of our hand to wake them up. And there you go. We're gonna take a little canola oil or olive oil, non-aerosol cooking spray. And I like to crisp one side, then flip it. I don't want a mushy quesadilla on the inside. Because when we make a club sandwich, we toast the bread. So toast the tortilla, duh. So we toast one side, see, once it's blistered. Then we're gonna take, get this, Mexican crema, or you can use sour cream, mix it together with cheddar and pepper jack. Oh, yeah, okay? And you put that cheese mixture on half of this sucker. And then we're gonna take some of our bacon and turkey with the spices. I know! And then we're gonna take a little bit of our tomatoes with some cilantro and a little sliced avocado. I know! And then we're gonna fold that sucker over with a little more cheese. Hello! Boom, boom. Isn't this adorable? Look at that! Will you just look at these crazy, overstuffed California Club quesadillas? I know. So you serve it with a little lime wedge, and then a little more Mexican crema or sour cream, right? A little more cilantro. And then like a giant nacho, put some pickled jalapenos on it. What?